students, how are you? I hope that you all will be fine, staying home, staying safe and enjoying your work at your home. On the behalf of Paramount Public School, today I am going to teach you third form of our past tense, which is known as past perfect tense. Are you ready to learn? Let's start with our topic, past perfect tense. The past perfect tense. The past perfect, also called the pluperfect, is a verb tense used to talk about actions that were completed before some point in the past. It means it is used to show that actions that were completed before some time in the past. Structure of past perfect tenses: subject, then had, then verb third form, and then object. Example is here: you had studied English before you moved to New York. Students, remember the thing, had will come with all persons. First person, second person, third person, whether a singular or a plural. Uses. Come to its use. 1. Completed actions before something in the past. Look, the action got completed before something happened in the past. The past perfect expresses the idea that something occurred before another action in the past. It can also show that something happened before a specific time in the past. Example is here: I had never seen such a beautiful beach before I went to Kasoli. But it shows that something occurred before another action. It means he had never seen this beautiful beach before he went to Kasoli. Tony knew Hong Kong so well because he had visited the city several times. Kristen had never been to an opera before last night. She only understood the movie because she had read the book. Duration before something in the past is second use. We use the past perfect to show that something started in the past and continued up until another action in the past. For example, we had that car for 10 years before it broke down. By the time Alex finished his studies, he had been in London for over 8 years. They felt bad about selling the house because they had owned it for more than 40 years. Now, some important specific time with the past perfect shows. Unlike with the present perfect, it is possible to use specific time, words, phrase or phrases with the past perfect. Although this is possible, it is usually not necessary. It means you could use specific time with perfect tense, or it is not necessary for you. She had visited her Japanese relatives once in 1993 before she moved in with them in 1996. It means it shows the specific time. Moreover, if the past perfect action did not occur at a specific time, the simple past can be used instead of past perfect. If the specific time is not mentioned, then you can use simple past tense. When before or after is used in the sentence, the words before and after actually tell you what happens first. So the past perfect is optional here. For this reason, both sentences I am telling you here are correct. Example 1 is, she had visited her Japanese relatives once in 1993 before she moved in with them in 1996. Specific time is given, but they had used in the second tense simple past tense. She visited her Japanese relatives once in 1993 before she moved in with them in 1996. In first example we had used past perfect tense. In second example we had used simple past tense. Both sentences are correct because before and after just tell us the actions happens first or later. However, if the past perfect is not referring to an action at a specific time, then past perfect is not optional. If the specific time is mentioned, then it is necessary to use past perfect tense. Look at the example. She never saw a bear before she moved to Alaska. It is a specific time, so this sentence is incorrect. She had never seen a bear before she moved to Alaska. This is the correct sentence. In these examples, past perfect is referring to a lack of experience rather than an action at a specific time. In this example, simple past cannot be used because it is expressing an experience, lack of experience. Negative structure of this sentence is subject, then had, then note, then verb third form, then object. Example is, you had not studied English before you moved to New York. We were not able to get a hotel room because we had not booked in advance. They had not gone home. She had not played with the ball. In the shopping center, I met a friend whom I had not seen for ages. Now interrogative and its structure. Had will come forward, then subject, then verb third form, then object, and at last question mark. Had they arrived? Had I studied hard for exams? Had I slept late on Saturdays? Had you seen a movie? Had he gone to work every day? I hope that student you could understand the uses of past perfect tense. Thanks for watching.